Mm.
We're wired to do everything.
Mm-hmm.
How do we back off? And I'm asking this genuinely because, listen, I find myself, Toby, I'm not, Mary, my mind, it's always working. And I always think I need to get stuff done. So I don't think I create capacity for my husband to do anything. I don't think I create enough capacity for my children to get stuff done. I will give them work to do, and I turn around and be doing the work with them and take over the work. But
Mm.
again, I will be saying to them, you need to go to school, you need to do this, you need to do that. But there am I in the midst of it. How do you, and I think maybe every mother can identify, every woman who is a true, serious woman, we get ourselves, we throw ourselves back in there because we think we're the backbone, we're the this, we're the that. From a man's perspective, from your perspective, when should we back off? Seriously, when do we back off and give you a chance to breathe?